Dear parents, we have received your email ID in Google Classroom, but most of the mail IDs have been created with name of the student's father or mother. So it is difficult for us to link your child's name with his or her email ID. To overcome this problem, there is a provision in Google to personalize your Google account in the name of the child. So we request you to follow the following procedure to change the Google account to the name of your child. So for that, first is that log in to your Google account which you want to add in your child's Google Classroom. Then open the Chrome. Then this page will come. Then go to google.com. Then here I got this page, and at the right side top my profile icon I am seeing near the 9 dots. I click on the profile icon. Now I have got 3 accounts. Suppose I want to change the name of I want to add this in Google Classroom. I will click it again. I'll got another icon here, profile icon. So then click again here. Then after that you'll find manage your Google account. Click it here. So when I will manage the Google account, I clicked there. I got this page. So when I got this page, then at the middle here I am finding 3 things here at the top: home, personal information, data, and personalizations. So I will click on the personal informations like this. So when I clicked here, I got this page. Now I will click on the name. I want to change the name. So I'll click the name. Say suppose I click it little, and then here I got this page. Then for that, what you will do, first name we will enter it, that is IEMS. So IEMS, and the last name, suppose you can say, and I will give my name. So it is Sushrita Das. You can give your child's name here. So then after that there is a place here, you have to save it. If you don't want to save, then you have to cancel it, but you have to save it, otherwise your account cannot change. So that is why after saving that, if you save it, look here my name is changed to IEMS Sushrita Das. So then I will go back and see what is my name. So here when I'll click this one, look, my name is changed to IEMS Sushrita Das. So you can change your account name to the child's account name. So in this way you can help me to get the child's name in our Google Classroom. Thank you for listening to me.